Welcome to Choice Champions. The best ear scratcher is probably one of the most underrated personal care tools available, offering a unique and satisfying solution to that persistent itch deep within your ear canal that fingers just can't reach, providing a level of relief that is both immediate and profound, making it an essential item for anyone seeking ultimate comfort and auditory well-being. Number 5. BEBIRD R1 Ear Wax Removal Tool. Introducing the BEBIRD R1, your personal ear care companion. It features a high-definition camera and bright LED lights to illuminate even the darkest corners of your ear canal. With its advanced 3 million pixel lens and 1080p resolution, you get a wide-angle view of exceptional clarity. This allows you to see every detail inside your ear with precision. Connect wirelessly to our intuitive BEBIRD app on your smartphone or tablet. You can easily view, capture photos, and record videos of your ear in real time. This tool is designed for both examination and gentle removal of earwax, whether your ears are oily or dry. It comes with multiple tips for a customized cleaning experience. Its versatility extends beyond ear care. Use it to examine your nose, teeth, and throat with the included specialized observation kits. This innovative device boasts a patented design, ensuring safe and effective use for your overall health and hygiene needs. What we like? If you want to see exactly what you're doing, this is the one for you. Its high-definition camera and app connectivity provide a clear, real-time view of your ear canal. This makes it ideal for those who prefer a visual approach to ear cleaning or need to examine their ears, nose, or throat. What people say. The ear scratcher has a unique design that reaches deep into the ear canal. It effectively removes earwax without causing discomfort. The material is smooth and durable, ensuring long-term use. Number 4. BetyBedy 7 Pcs Ear Pick Set. Discover a new way to care for your ears with this comprehensive set. It's designed for effective and gentle ear cleansing. This kit includes everything you need for thorough ear hygiene. You'll find specialized tools to help you clean your ears safely and efficiently. Keep your tools organized and clean with the included storage box. A small cleaning brush is also provided for maintaining the set. Crafted with a sleek silver finish, this set is both stylish and durable. It's built to last and provide reliable ear care. Experience safe and effective earwax removal with these specially designed tools. Achieve a clean and comfortable feeling with ease. This set makes ear care simple and convenient. It's an essential addition to your personal hygiene routine for a refreshing experience. What we like? For those who appreciate a classic and comprehensive approach, this set offers a variety of tools. If you like having multiple options and a dedicated storage solution, this is a great choice for keeping your ear cleaning instruments organized and accessible. What people say. This set is the best solution I've ever encountered. It used to be that every couple months I'd have blockage keeping me from hearing, but this nifty set has kept that from happening. My ears have never been this clean. The sheer amount of gunk I've managed to get out is equal parts astonishing and rewarding. I literally put Q-tips in my ears the day before using this product to clean my ears out. The next day when I used the new tool, since it arrived, it got out so much more stuff from my ears that I've never been able to get out using Q-tips. Number 3. Hion 6 PCS Extended Ear Wax Removal Kit. Are you still using cotton swabs to clean your ears? Studies show they can push earwax further in and cause damage. It's time for a safer, more effective solution. Crafted from high-quality 316L stainless steel, this kit is rust-proof, hypoallergenic, and easy to sterilize. Our nano-polishing process ensures a smooth, irritation-free experience for your delicate ear canals. Featuring double-headed designs and various specialized tools, this kit effectively tackles both dry and oily earwax. From spring picks to spiral removers, every tool is designed for thorough yet gentle cleaning. The anti-slip grip ensures safety and control during use. With different sizes available, these tools are perfect for everyone, from children to adults, ensuring a comfortable fit for any ear canal. Each tool is reusable and washable. A cleaning brush is included for convenience, and the kit comes with a portable storage box, making it ideal for both home and travel. We are confident you'll love this effective ear cleaning kit. If you're not completely satisfied, please contact us for a solution. Add this essential tool to your cart today. What we like? If you're looking for a durable and safe option, This kit is a strong contender. Made from high-quality stainless steel with a smooth finish, it's designed to prevent scratches and irritation. Its extended, double-headed design offers versatility for different types of earwax, making it suitable for adults and children alike. What people say. The ear scratcher is made of stainless steel and has a smooth surface, so it won't scratch your ear canal. It has a unique spring design that allows it to gently massage your ear canal and relieve itching. The ear scratcher comes with a cleaning brush, so you can keep it clean and hygienic. Number 2. MEDUWEDU Ear Cleaner Finger Wipes. Introducing our innovative ear cleaning wipes, designed for a gentle yet effective clean. Their unique finger-fitting design ensures a secure and comfortable experience for your pet. Crafted with a natural plant-based formula, these wipes are free from harsh chemicals like alcohol. They safely and gently cleanse, keeping your pet's ears fresh and healthy. Regular ear cleaning is vital for your pet's health. Our convenient wipes make it easy to remove dirt and prevent common ear issues, offering a safer alternative to cotton swabs. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors and discomfort. The refreshing scent helps neutralize smells, while the cleaning action soothes irritation, reducing head shaking and scratching. We offer a variety of sizes and refreshing scents to suit your pet's needs. Experience high-quality ear care that your pet will love, with options for every preference. We are committed to providing the best for your pet. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a solution to ensure your happiness with our product. What we like. This product is specifically designed for your furry friends. If you're a pet owner looking for a gentle and effective way to clean your dog or cat's ears, these wipes are perfect. They use a natural formula to remove dirt and wax, helping to prevent odor and discomfort for your pet. What people say. Wipes fit snugly on my wooden-sized fingers, making cleaning easy and precise. Effectively cleans dog ears, removing dirt and debris. The texture of the wipes also works really well. They have just enough grip to pick up wax and residue without feeling too rough, and they do a good job actually getting the ear clean. Number 1. W102 Ear Wax Removal Irrigation Flushing System. Introducing our advanced ear cleaning system, designed for safe and effective removal of ear wax, dirt, and debris. Its gentle approach ensures your sensitive ear canal is cleaned without damage. Skip expensive doctor visits with this convenient ear cleaning kit. You can perform the cleaning at home, saving you time and money while maintaining your ear health. Our thoughtful design includes 30 disposable soft ear tips for single use. This ensures a sanitary experience, preventing infections and providing peace of mind with every use. This versatile ear wax removal tool is suitable for everyone, including children. It effectively tackles excess ear wax buildup, making it a superior choice for family ear hygiene. We stand by our product with a 12-month replacement warranty. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated support team is ready to provide a 100% quality product and service. What we like. If you prefer a non-invasive method and want to avoid expensive doctor visits, this system is for you. It offers a safe and effective way to flush out earwax using a gentle irrigation process. The inclusion of disposable tips ensures a hygienic experience for everyone in the family. What people say. The water pressure is gentle but effective, and the different tips are useful. It feels comfortable to use and easy to clean after. It literally provided instant relief. Filled it up with warm water and pumped it into my ear for maybe 25 to 30 seconds, then once I tipped my head over, literally all that gunk came flowing out. Good ear wax removal kit for home use. It comes with multiple tips, and the water pressure helps clean effectively without using cotton swabs. Easy to use and feels safer than traditional methods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.